Isumhi Keturuka, minor prophet. We are on the 6 books of the minor prophet. The last 12 books of the Old Testament is considered to be the minor prophet. Minor not in terms of values, but length. Awi asan kasang jiwe ni kayang ne. Aman kasak kala measure by na sakmeye kasi maning mane. Sini itu ma lairik Keturuka bahili achu lairik hiwe aminghi Micah. It's a shortened form of Micaiah or Micaiahu jismo. Sina Micah kajiwi kaklat pava who is like Yahweh kajinisi. Rivra kata kipale klei. Rivra hi kipali ngehel by klei. Who is like our God or our Yahweh? Chiwi answer ji ishe now bing wena mating rik in a rivrana nangai gizla. Rivra kata kang te kalela. Igata kalela tak ngandran ishe now bing na nagata kang te malay mane. There is none. You are the only God. Ta atum na kahangji rivrana chining jang na gizla. Ishe now bing na marakali kamor ina hangai laga. Atumwi kring karaklia. As though there is someone or something that's more important than God in their life. Matai kamay akakli ta the chuk machuti how they. Tui matui tui how we. Ot sa tui gisla. And they did not give enough importance to God. What is due to God, they did not give to Him. Rivrawi magpenji. Kuvang lajka rivrali rivra tada masatu manishimo. Jaina Micah, Gajiwi prophet here, he is a younger or junior contemporary of Isaiah. Isaiah we atamli ala maran sa mine. Kala Hosea long, Isaiah long, kala Amos sila. Apong aklia social kala political context li angka atui contemporaries ne katali hipai na nganui may gizine. Jaina Isaiah we likely kachang aina. Micah li kachang kangrui kai kalay dalay. Kala Micah na kahangi Jeremiah na quote sa kai kalay dalay. Kala Isaiah we atamli kamunga ungnaw ping kini katumay na Micah na kamung tamli lay sa ungnaw ping silang raisa ne. Nana first part of the book ping jipa ka katay sampang ra. Chui wangay na ana hili maran ra kasa atam sili kare li atuan thang itum na Isaiah we maram matuyaka. Itum na Hosea we maram matuyaka, Amos we maram matuyaka, chiwi introductory tada background mi ga hyping ji ngarai cha sir gisnehi. Kula matai lak ina itum na awi period in a cover ka sa history song any yang ra ka 2 Kings 15 we na 20 nang da paka ka jena 2 Chronicles 27 na 32 we na historical books li paka chiwi atamli kamarana Lyric ne kasi panem maranwi lyric ne kasi ne. Jene hili matay lakaina Micah kaho mayor na oping hina Samaria kasi atung songwi the capital of Israel, the northern kingdom. Kala Jerusalem the capital of southern kingdom Judah. Kanini hili rivrawi pichar judgment raradak leji kahang ne ka prophet katong hi atmui prophecy hi kahang tran krewi itum na tam gai ji ang ka pichara na judgment ay na hopok laga akatang le restoration ay na atang the message of comfort will always enter most of the prophetic books. Chay na hilila ngaray chay kamatay lak ay na hili how kapok chapter hili anakyang la hear all people all of you listen O earth and all who are in it, that the sovereign Lord may witness against you, the Lord from His holy temple. Kasi Jerusalem we temple li kahang maning mani. Ka holy temple hang da kali kazang katwa. Kazing ramli vrihana pam da kali apam jili refer sa da kali ne kasi ni. Nganalo kasi tui. Listen, hear kasi tui hi. Itum na tui jikui laga. He will like hi. Akum ketumsada chapter sini akum ketumsada kaisok. Akum kreb na chapter 1 and chapter 2. China akum ke kniba na chapter 3 and chapter 4. China kemetiba akal ketumba hina chapter 6 and 7. keeping we how pok hili hear or listen nganalo kachitui hena how pok jide jene itumna like chapter sinihi akum mati sada kaisok ke jine khigla hili ribrana judgment vau sok takle hi kiwangla jiga what is Jacob's transgression? Is it not Samaria? What is Judah's high place? Is it not Jerusalem? Samaria li kala Jerusalem li hang da khlai pawa ungram khanani northern kala southern kingdom khanani li ribrana pichar salaga aniwi khionji hang sok takle ne anina ribrawi mangali transgressa gai ga ngui ga hai si hili maran hina vausok laga picharwi tui kamatui ne jena na khangwa ina Samaria we kainung hi tada jifu on ngsak haurais din I will make Samaria a heap of rubber, a place for planting vineyards. God was planning to destroy the whole city completely. Tada sakyang sir haurais din because of the idolatry. They were worshipping idols. They chose idols in place of God, and they did not give him due regards to God. Prostitution since she gathered her gift from the wages of prostitute. As the wages of prostitute, they will again be used. Prostitution. Kiyor now akasada. Chudali le dakle Israel now bina. Shikasangli manglarinli prostitute kasagati. Rivali makham gahaya. A betrothed party. Rivali engaged sagahaya. Kapangui gahaya yurina. Kangate bingli le shijat laga. Kangate bingli popa kazat tada. Manglali prostitute sagajat kajihi. Rivana ningyang mung lak mane gisine. Achui atam hili itumna vere shine. All of us are professing to be a Christian. Hili kajang bihi. Kana na kajang na professor dakle hangsok dakle ji na sitsang lakla. Are you really living according to the conviction that you have or the profession that you made? Is your life reflecting your commitment and your profession? That's a big question. Are we Israel now pingli anagpangkui yur pingli ngahan baja misungay na veresin na date tanawi tadanawi uklungli ka chukli na nawi core value ji rivrahili saklay na chilay na kuila kajine hili anakhang baba na tumma makui mane chuhay na magkui wangay na atungli atum na sagik si prophet na hangik ji na tum na hisada kalayu ka klat pava na tum na rivrali importance mami mane ji hangugi kajine ka ana prophet pahina rasok rada kleji ana prophesy salaga ana prediction ji mi maman laga awiningli chot lakawi. He was so grieved with the vision of the judgment that was coming very soon. And the Israel now pingli hirasok ruklo do hanglo gaji kachot kachang ragi ji chungachulaga ana ya iwi ka kanang because of this I will weep and wail. I will go about barefoot and naked. I will howl like a jackal and mourn like an owl. Why? Because for her wounds is incurable. It has come to Judah. Israel mangi si man manimne. Judah li raide. Kamahi maray li pai mane jidi. Chuaina atung li Samaria is man gahai si mang maningla. Ano Judah li raradak lehi. Tell it not in God. Don't tell this to the people of God because they will laugh at the people of God. Rirana ka pangkui gai mi pingili ka kanang chot songran ra dak lehi rirali magate mi pingili mavaw sang hai lo manushi pai na mahang lo ka there is no escape route. You will not escape. This judgment will surely fall upon you. Raplung haure, and that makes me grieve as a prophet. Anak hang jang kanang lakawi jide awi mirinli ana ribrawi mangali hi hang maman laga atumi kachot kachang ragi da khalei gaji Israel we take temptation man haugi ji ana hange laga ki hang mi ping hu acham ram hi ana chapter 2 jili ka than woe to those who plan iniquity, to those who plot evil on their beds. At morning's light they carry it out because it is their power to do it. Ngaya petli chakasi chuk machu thai magapha plan sa thai laga kazing mathang bhala ka horas chung leuda ngaya chuk machuji ot sak aina ka sabing rirana nali mathot mi laga kazing thang sakta khachui ka chi matai sang mi kha rirawi ning yang khungwi apongli machatla magapha makhiawi apongli ngakar thui laga yong chat ta khleping ana khyang do they covet fields and seize them, and houses and take them. They defraud a man of his home, a fellow man of his inheritance. Matai lak ina chiwi atam jili ka shanga lui ka chung ka ngaba bing hina awi ka shang wi pang chap ti sin laga ring sinawi ngapon ka chat ping mi khanga te ping uli masam bang ran ji nam da ka khui bing ngalei khanga pon na bing ngalei khanga pai bing Natumli kasong karang raradale kajipahi rivrana hangdaklene. I am planning disasters against these people from which you cannot save yourself. Manganai sok lak makro proho ina hili kachot kachang calamity ragi kihi rapulung haugi sine manganai sok mara kajipaji anamaran saude. Chita da kahangaina ariwi kasang now biling a yulaga prophet kai kalang yur chachine hiping hi ka pick a prophet, a false prophet atum bingjina mi pa hili Micah le khyang ka Micah, do not prophesy, the prophet says mahangalo sita da mahangalo, do not prophesy about these things. Disgrace will not overtake us. Should it be said, O house of Jacob, is the spirit of the Lord angry? Does he do such things? Rirawi mangla jim lungvat lakla anahikta salakla chita da mahanglo itu mili mai ke shide kiwi wang a false prophet ping na matai lak aina ka shang ping ling yur cha chikla khang te wang maning mani che peisha wi wang tong khui wa wi wang ne chi cheina atum bing wi acham aram hili matai lak aina atumna hang da khle tui hi aina awi mirinui kesakajatan ke kui tada awi sangwai wang minang na ngai hang tada ka hang a prophet ping hina hi tada kamatui jitan a sing jili tu ya ching song. If a liar and deceiver comes and says, I will prophesy for you plenty of wine and beer, he would be just the prophet for these peoples. If you prophesy the prosperity gospel, you are really fit for these people. Atumwi ngangai kangai kemui kena jiwang cala kena kecangkat rivrana nali hili trakateri kucung mire da mahang mane picara radale na wili khavat makhle mangkhai le da rivrana mahang mane ka achu atam hili pam dakle Israel naw bingwang cala kai maran ka kaping dia sangre makhnang lo rivawi mangla na malovat le khikama thamre ta hang khami bingji cala kisimo chena makapagati hi ung naw ping chi mang maning mane ka than ping chi mang maning mane ka sang lui fa naw mang chi maning mane ka prophet ping la sang la ga mama shung mane mam tham ne ni chu tamli atmui society li le ga sa chi khavri rana hi ta da picha sa ra da hang sa la chi chapter 2 ji li la wi ra wi son khamyu wi ra lu gi ji hang lu shit la ka chapter ka thum chi li ta kha khang te ping li khang te leaders of Jacob ji Israel naw ping atung song he we Bible hili Jacob kasi aming hi sikjintran yur as a holy Israel now like hang vaye Jacob as an individually refer sa chapter 7 kata ja ali individually ni ke hili ka hang bahya Jacob Israel ya hairoka je yur atungwi Samaria we capital sa da klayo apamwi mi bingli refer ka sa ni chimo chene hili hang da hi listen ya hairoka knia group jili you leaders of Jacob, you rulers of the house of Israel, should you not know justice? You who hate good and love evil. Kapali yang kring na tumi. Laga magkapajili na tumna leisiyay sine. แล้วก็อาจิงลีอันหางตาตะเคลจักชินาจิเด who tear the skin from my people and the flesh from their bones who eat my people's flesh stripped off their skin and break their bones in pieces who chop them up like meat for the pan like flesh for the pot นั่นทุกนั้นมีไว้อาหุยจิริมโชคแล้วก็อาพีจิริมโชคแล้วก็อารุกุยจิกตัดกระจำแล้วก็นั่นทุกนั้นซุปเซมนักเลยมังนักเลยกจิตาก็ไม่นะคริงนาวลีอาหุยแหงมีแล้วก็ริงกชนาวลีก็ฉันก็จวนไรตามีแล้วก็นั่นทุกนั้นปนแล้วก็จักชีดซาดักเลยคริงไงนะมีลีอารุขมังท่าดาฮิกตาจักชีอาจำอารมฮีริวรานะนิ่งยังมุ่งลักกจิตแล้วก็ฮิลิละ chapter 3 ลิละมารันบิงลีฮังลุชิตเลยเดAs for the prophets who lead my people astray, if one feeds them, they proclaim peace. If he does not, they prepare to wage war against him. Chaksida kahang pingzilia, atum na raita wai. Laga atum bingli, mizada klay pingzilia, atum li masot masaw laga sok mitata. Katya, pervert sak hai, karap sak hai, ningachine. Church we alungli, long na we alungli, society we alungli. Corruption na pem hai re mashun malay mane kasi neva hili hang dak lay bahi ka maran ban but as for me I am filled with power with the spirit of the Lord and with justice and might to declare to Jacob his transgression to Israel his sin kai ka thai klay wilung li iwi wang ba jang awa rivraling yur ta lay la laga anang ning ka laga ka phong hili mashat kisi lay salala minamang na ngay lay salala rivrali ngayon laga Jacob wi khayon khamang ji phong khayang re Israel wi moray ji ina phong khayang re kasi paji maran bahina hang dakling laga hili matay lak ina Zion li Jerusalem li chaksilay na hang dakle akajia khila jaga hear this you leaders of the house of Jacob you rulers of the house of Israel who despise justice and distort all that is right who built Zion with bloodshed and Jerusalem with wickedness. Her leaders judge for a bribe. Her priests teach for a price. And her prophets tells fortune for money. Yet they lean upon the Lord and say, is not the Lord among us? Zion we simpungji makamashung paisay na sakay. Ashi na sakay. Jerusalem we simpungji kalik suilan na sakay. Laga chui kalik su chui otchi saman laga bribery pangnop chi kui maman laga judge ping na kui maman laga atungwi kamore na hange is not the Lord among us. In the midst of all these activities, they still have guts to say that the Lord is with them. Chi kangwi shit kasang ne. Achu na we mirin hi, iwi mirin hi, naram we mirin hi, itumu society tangkul na hi, naga we foundation hi. Kamishung kangrong ina simpung masala, kalik se na sara jika, ashi na sara jika. Laga chisama man, laga lima man, pangnop sama man, laga proho na itum limang yurmi mala. Itum tangkul na wa naga Israel kathane, naga wa Israel kathane. Rivran namang nangai lakisla. Israel talak la itum hi. Rivran itum li kapangkui. Ina ridla hangai ra. Itum Israel ka thabajia. Rivran mi gyan jang laga ning yang khung atam Israel maning la. Rivran ing kai ka shi. Rivran ka hatta. Rivran sakamay lan patwi ka haya. Israel atam jili compare sa pae. Mi katong li ka pen la maning manay. Kala mi ababu li pichar sa la maning manay. Kana shaba chang laga na shabu sang laga na sao chang laga na shani chang laga na chang laga iram li yang laga itum society li yang laga itum khian simsa ka vai ran jat tak legla itum awar simpung I kich katalan ne na sakara da hona da legla ini kini na matui sang da khlewi apong bai mins bai masung da lela makamashung lan ne da tailaga Kangwi apong ina katan ne the tailaga. Kisa da kanui thot ka chung kana achu yang ya ka chikla. Ya ka ngalang char gizla. Na paisa sambang takle apong ji na kiwang na shem ka vai wang maning la ring pha mai vai wang maning la kham shung de la ri ran na ni yang ung lak la mi na ma thai la na ma thai ma la chi ri ran na ma pen ma nei ga ji la ga chin na no wi mi rin wi sim bung shem ri na chu hiling ran sang gai na chingum hang man ti thum ra hi na ri ra wi mangali ring pha lai na ring ba ri ka chang khat la chin na no wi sim bung sar la ri ra na Israel naw li ka sil la ga hang dak lai de kisa da Zion wi sim bung hi a shi na sang sak sik le kisa da Jerusalem wi sim bung hi khali wi lan ne sang sak sik le a chu wi thum bing Israel naw li Micah wi maran wi through ina prophesy ka sa ta it wi foundation hi commission ina ri ran sang sak ai de jena ri ran khiang do therefore ji wi wang ina because of you Zion will be plowed like a field Jerusalem will become a heap of rubber the temple hill a mound overgrown with thickets you are thinking you have laid a strong foundation yet I'm going to destroy it utterly why because there's no justice kamashung malayla there is no righteousness chui wangina itu mirin lang rai chai thata iwi mirin lang rai chai brivram chang la sakaka shimhi aremen Solomon hangji aremane nana thata mang sam la chingum chumra sang laga chingum hangmati hangphanga sang laga no shim saka khai no shim kur saka khai chuma chuingra marakhli phaja maude marakhli masai kong maude khik malai jang side ka piao yang laga boxing vai malai jang de tun san da mang sam la ot ka sa kha rana chitha da pichar sara silla chili matang hai man khabri rawi so khami ana khangate ngate hang khai ungram shamka lui ki ji rara da khalaya ungram ngate hang khai arui Israel na ring da khalay maning la khangate shamka ki ji itum na Bible li pa ka thei lui lagi hi matai lak ina itum na la Isaiah chapter 2 chili pa ka 2 in 4 li ka chang ina hili 4 we 1 to 3 hili chang dak le hi ngarai cha lui ki sin Isaiah we maran hila chikata ungram saka ki wi kamatai maran ji kipak le ji anara maran mi de mafu ka tish now na virgin na now pra ki si ana read the poem mi laka Micah na ba virgin ba na pra ki now ji kli pra ro ki apam ji ana predict sa mi hili pra ro ko ki ka thalala chiwi manga sili ana chikata khang shit sai salala mi ping hili ana chapter 4 we alung hila ka thalala chiwi atam ji mararang laka chiwi khamung atam ji mararang laka for now you must leave the city to camp in the open field you will go to Babylon there you will be rescued you have to first go to Babylon as an exiled and all these promises will be fulfilled later on I'll come and rescue you as a nation and I'll build up a nation out of that remnant again. Tai ga hai jo in saka lui re ka ji pa chia. Ka pisang mi hai da khlein de we. Jane itum na chapter 5 li ka ka than Christmas atam li itum na refers sa son ka ji Micah chapter 5 we verse 2 ide. Chikata khamunga virgin na pragi ji mi pa ji ka chin ra sok rukle ji ka but you Bethlehem Ephratah though you are small among the clans of Judah out of you will come for me one who will be ruler over Israel, whose origins are from of old, from ancient times. Atam mga ba? Cha lakawi. How ka pok makangwa. Hipa hina ramung rukho. Bethlehem Ephratah. Na hiya Judah wisangli kik kamakning significant masama ko. Yet I have chosen you. My eyes is upon you. Rirana na kik kamaning la suisulala awi mikper kamiz maning panam la makaw nam la. Mina na kikamaning ne ikikamaning mane da miwi kamoho ji masambang da marakli tu maning tiaw ngai la kasila mina moho da masot masawai ka rirawi mangali kai la ta da makanang na kista yarui na penaw la yarui li moho la kahilia anakhang baba iwi mikchina nali parhaw ka da Judah wi sangli ka tiaw Bethlehem Ephratah nama khanang lo kubang nawi na kumung ngajira sokre iwi mirin nawi mirin li hita da ribrana ka pang kuya mirin ji sambang ka kaya ka ring parado laga aching jili verse 5 jili and he will be their peace Jishu Christ li hang dakli hikata government hikata machine makle society li ring shinabli oppressa dakli hi malay son mare sa dakli na tumbing la right ha ka pai pam li vare ka right ha ka hai pam li mahai son mare na tum hanung lui re laga na tum li ina mung khang sakka chingri highway aunga sason singki ji akamire ji pa ji ribrana jita da hang mi hai tli laga jingsong silita sum laga achu matai lak ina hili chapter 6 isumwi text ada pasok mi ga hai ji hilia ribrana awi pichar sa laga o ka twili leida khlaya ana shem ga hai bingli nutum na shaki salu ta tum li pichar ka sawi tui ana ka hang ji hiam stand up plead your case before the mountains let the hills hear what you have to say hang kapungwi mangali pungrei mangali nan khiang re sira na ping in na lip ten dakle in na lip pichar sa dakle hili na phayat ngai la na wi masun phangai la hang lu atum na shaki sare kachina ma laga vibrana atum ni khang hanji my people what have I done to you how have I burdened you answer me is it a burden for you to worship God is it a burden for you to continue to enjoy the blessing of God no we want to burden lakla ka atu mirin hin marak lijang rivrali khokrum hi burden thasla rivrai kati burden thasla ik chung see the several times I have repeated this thought even here in our church if you feel that it is a burden for you to associate with God or to worship him there's something is wrong in your understanding of your relationship with God nana kisada mami ngai lak la music la chada church ma ka ngai lak la ka sigla kvaina masama da masaga pai thada yaru rin ring hau ga upai ma lei la kisada kisada vivrali khorum jiklai laga veresi ka sai rit nai veresi ka sai chot nai church we lungli ka chang he tanner nai da kisada hang jikla ga jine vivrana ka hang ba na tanner ka jangkhat la na chot ka jangkhat la no iwang chi burden sa ka jangkhat la vivrali khokrum hi na li burden ga sa chi ya so mission conference ra le pe sang sai se jin na li burden ga sa da la mani mla camera ra le ko na sik tio sok lo so a chon dang Sunday school le po a chu cam le po se na musical evening le po han ta po wa a ming event ga tong yang la ta po shon tang ku church pe sa ga po church ne ta hang ngai mi la chang ji la hang sok kai la ga em hang sa ni pa ra ga ji la chang ga ji la ka ta ta itu winning li burden sa hang sak chi khi le ji ne ka chang ka na li li burden sa hang sak ki khamatai ba ji na maning ma de jang ta secondary banda China hili prophet na ki hang dak le ka with what shall I come before the Lord and bow down before the exalted God shall I come before him with burnt offerings with calf a year old will the Lord be pleased with thousands of rams with 10,000 rivers of oil shall I offer my firstborn for my transgression the fruit of my body for the sin in my soul he has showed you O man what is good and what does the Lord require of you to act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly before your God what is required is not necessarily the money that you are contributing that is not the primary requirement to act justly masung da sa log sini achon thang itumbing na thui ga hai emos wi lairik chi book chi katam tran viran khiang do kamasung kang rong masun ji kong ru da do long sak log sina wa nan of rivrawi le ga shiji ka chang khat masam phang rang kha aman nei namang tsibai mane hui kami hi da nam thai rang kha ili hui mi gai he ili mi rin pe de na raw sa la go adram ngchulala marun ra mara da na phap mata kha noi offering hi noi wang rit na ye noi contribution hi noi wang rit na ye no yaru li contribute sa da khle ka tong hi routine ni ot tha da saman arui na sai la achu lang man ga pha tha da ma sa lo ji ne kan noi ning li ka chang khat ri rawi li ka shi ji na na phap tai ra sa ni ka cha ri rawi lo mission ka mi chin na phap ta la ga vre shi sa da church ra ka ka nei na jin ji i tao ini wi khao khama chang la ga ma khle tam li chang ya ri ra i wi uk na li mi ngai la ke ka ka tiao ka chang ya vai ka shi na na sho ka mi wi shru ka chung da ina ka mi ka tiao ka ma ngai ka ji wi ning ji le shon gi sin na li kai to ma church na overtake sa hai tha da ji shu na polang ga hai tha da ji shu na tam ga ji rek ka krek tha da i tum na chat ka le ga ji ba ya tuk ka me shit ka sang wi khang yam hi ma thei tu mai de vreshi ka sa wi simpung ba hi ka jang khat christian nan ri thi mi le ga hui ka mi wi na ma ho phok la vreshi sim kuli phra sangai le ga tha da la sa plung ei chingum tra da shni shadi kwer le ka pam plung ei ngalang man hi ngala naw ka ga yaro naw ka ga mi plung ei jin mi ra yai de hili rivrana itumli theng sak ngai ba ja khi phung ra lu do tha da kong ru hina thau sa le ga rivrali ne da thau rivrana king mi sai ra ko se rivrana shimuk sa sai ngai ma a chu hok sa khu ra lo a kham har sa khu ra lo ji la hi ping ga tong hi mi kai no thei ga pai hi wi local congregation li viral sheba sa li awi ungram rei sang vai an hang da khle kham sung khang rong ma sun ga ji mi ping na sam bang vai otram khang tu li shi jin gi jot ma ngai hi chen kham tai ya pa ji ma sun ni wat hi sa lo la ka na lu kham san ji li le shi lo la ka viral wi mang ali nem chang la ka chat lo viral ngai yu lo humble sa la ka le lo chi na ho phok lo chi na sim hung sa lo ke sin ba an hang tak le pa chi chen a chung li ana hang ta la ga khi hang la na tum na chi ma le tu ma da na tu mi rin li khira sok to you will eat but not be satisfied your stomach will still be empty you will store up but save nothing because what you save I will give to the sword achi you will plant but not harvest you will press olives but not use the oil on yourself. You will crush grapes, but not drink of the wine. You have observed the statutes of Omri and of the practices of Ahab's house, and you have followed the tradition. Israel we tochanli. Chakshi makeup si aungahi Omri na Ahab ne. Chakshi makeup si aungahi. Lagi Israel na tum na jang. Hiwi acham maram ni shulaga. Meu muri korum laga chatwi hai re laga meu muri korum laga rivrawi shian jikan ma katei khamsung khangrong ma katei nui acham maram hi rivrahi important ma sa tha da rivrawi ning panin li khile khla ga jipa ji na ma katei ta kamina khamsung ot sak na sala khlik sili ngalang char sir thwe re khang ponli ngalang char sir thwe re a chu chu sangira itu mui society li case ko chung le ji case ko chung le tat recently le in kai ka sa tak le hi char tangai la khishla khi kham sung khlo gi ji tangkhul naw bing na naga naw bing na mak thai maning gi ji la khak kham sung li nali ra hang khle nawi sim khu nawi thai sa naram jili ri laga kham sung li aching tang sa khai laga thai sa li atung gang sa khau ngasot naw li atung gang sa khau tung gang sa da kham sung hi ari le itu yu na ma thai rang sai ma sun hi tam fu gi sai tikri khu fu gi sai na na tikri ga chung khu la ma sun ni wat sa the mara so mu ko hon da chung na da tikri khu laga shreyung shrei wa laga ka piau ta ka piau sang laga hi ka tai la ka pik laga ayin na mara sa chi pai mara hi ka tai la khali li laga khali ne da mata pai mara gi pa ji thang mai naw da chak shi mara ngai mara gi sila laga itu mu khmorli ri rawi mang la nei tum ni mang yur mi mara se khisa da le mamang le tum siman rak le se ka chi ta ka mai na ka pik laga ri rawi mang ali ma tui da khle ge ji ri rana ning yang mung lak mne tui wang ai na Omri wishim kul Ahab wishim kul Meo muri kokrum aping Atang hili itumui Musot na aping na Kwel Amin kika Kem ni kwa aping na lak Saji ayala tumsa Ring panak sin Rum katiawli Mi sak sun na kasak siya Acu saji lumme tata Ketong hi Lum langin sata asti Kido lahaji Christ is enough for me. Haya inang hanin kejang lak la. Is Christ really enough for you? Itum lehe meraklia. Krista hina magasapta dajang. Krista wen kan sok laga. Iwi needs ketong aji awi alungli sampang serisimo. Cita lak la khnui thot ping. Cita lak la khar thot ping. Mine yang ra kha cita da ma thei melikho. Haya itum chai li atang hili install sami ka haya. Thot ya. Co superintendent church we saw gigs. Haya ana hang. Askara now chung kle pamli hang se de penings ni ka chu cha oi de. Ta ya ma khrabing wa in hang miao ke he open testimony. A juan dang 31st ngaya itung we ko khrum tamli thot ya we aming hi program li prince sa khain ali lang han laga laga ana share sa gi tamli thot ya jika ke ba ga ma sok tu sen program ji miss out Phew, look at how in a casang laga, Totia little hover, Totia. A John Tang no way, a mean a tail laga, Vaulaga Nakata Masokaji, Jaina Allah, Tata Malung Ping Lak in a Hikatana Hiktane to a Mahang Tatu now. Tata Simon may say my laga, we Maram Jihang Lagas Oja e daily Malaysa to you war, Dan Hangsin. Ka legs, it take Heine, Hakuari Saxi. Send a Malaysia to you, oh, Jitala. Canali program is hungry, Mahang. Australia, Tadala, Mahang, Manoa. I Mahang Jang Malad. I can hang a hang. Look at the how. Then us, easy, Ayali, lay side, moon rare too many. Jauda in a letter. Hey, car. He could touch him, so he suck like a chingu markling ran laga. Say, Hasalaga no, we do yakishna. Katikatami, Akli, Katomka, Siasa by make it a sango. Meeting will only know a ming supne. Chain by luck in a mukilo. Look now, can tape in the church. We ought to say, can take with Tang Sadam Sang Sangaimane. Then the Apsi was Yasala Ralaga. Ya, he talk high town rather hang the Pakis I did in the hangay. Cut Jihang Hawi Tilila and our in English Yaka, Dick Mitsifu San, Katala, had the Aspasali, had the Kapikaji, Lazang, as you meaning Papa Jilly. Katala sucked the Mukurangin. Aya and a hang baba, I'll struggle as Alexander. Chitangji, our Jew program later, Malay, how is more ananda. Lagatum party, Akatum, group with party, Aka plans out to how it. Look at you, wow, the little Jankat issue home missionary, Tao, Higana. Mahipapurpa. Raisangna. Kaho is that no. Sarisai laga. Ka Amram Red kind of sweet out the Penung Zilagala. Say the Penung out the us, Maratu is in the China ala Chita the Chatlaga, Ara Itumlis having a check how it is. Ala Kayagaida. Church Maraluis. Yeah, Vice Yada. Church Maralu, the Bum Tree Highness Dick's hunger. Look at Jonathan, he will Jang Bali Rapok Luis, January and Maralu in the eye. Lagan hung the church can take a pile of Vakati Osika. The Lipening is Kivangles got a program as well. Kali Mungli would run around to Ismo. Jenna, you know it to Hilly, Mungsak makes him. Nimnika, Ali Pening can suck Akajata. I will mungs them to Laga. Ali mean a chitela binocular sing Laga Chishu cross Haikara, Tungsli young Lodula. Young Lamatate mean of a tape. Taka took me the song, it took me song like a took any young Lamate, locked to Minism. Anchor to Laga. Anna Ribra in a tattoo, I realize Sada, Twitch up Bism. Twinning a Tasmo. Laga Ra, Laga Church of Bog again. Laga Sunday school with Tan Sauki. Nisang line or Sagrani churchly. Kain hang the clay by here. Miracle to Gachung, meaning a Salazan. I Sarah, Church Macalimber. I can eat on the Macalimber. Because he kick a monkey. I asked your issue with Querbing like a Sajita, Sari Salaga Illa. Chili, purely pum lagardo, la Saji, young how can it a queer member like a penny he must suck his. ชิตาตับลากไอ้น่ะไปเร็กพกแล้วก็จะไอ้ตัวมีติ้งจีอิมบาลละอาทุมราตัวเลยเซ่เอสซิสแตนเลยเซ่ก็ชิตาก็ไม่น่ะไปเร็กพกก็ชิตานั่นน่ะเชิดขวาก็จีฮิลีก็ไม่เอาถ่ายตัวโครุมโลก็จีมันนิ่งมันเลยก็จีนวิ priority set ก็สามันนิ่งมาละไอ้ทุมก็จุงฮีอะไรเลยก็ห่างเนี่ยนวิ priority ฮีรีบร้าเลยโคกรุมีมันขนิ่งหักขมาย important สักขมายมโหขมายท่าด่าfeel ก็สักจุงเลยสิมันเคยท่าด่า laser อะไรเนี่ยยาวชิระเลยก็ทำไม่เลยละโย่ Honda Church ลุมฟุลิจังก็จิตาขมายนะโย่ที่ให้ลุมโมก็รันง่ายนะมันก็จังทรูง่ายเลยก็จินวินิ่งลีนั่นน่ะรีบร้าฮีมันขนิ่งอาชวนทางรีบร้านั่นนี่ก็นายเลยจัดแล้วก็ซาใส่กอร์ฮีอะไรเงี้ยสันแล้วก็อะไร importance มีแล้วก็จัดสาแล้วก็อาชูวะจีรี importance สักไม่อักราสัมพังที่เขาด้เจอสมการลุยมันเนี่ยต่างวิ fellowship นี่มาระลุยมันเนี่ย Bible study มาจังระลุยมันเนี่ยเสียสาตั้มมาสัมพังลุยมันเนี่ย church วิอดชอดลีมีรานจีมันมีระลุยมันเนี่ยอยู่ยังจิกรานจีมันจิกระลุยมันเนี่ยคิววังจิกขังไอ้ important สักไม่อาสัมพังไอ้เร่ก็จิตายนู่นสงจ้าฮีมาชุงเดเลยล่ะก็จังคับนั่นเราสังมามันแล้วก็จัดมามันนะคะรีราลิพาขไม่จิชูฮีชับเปนั่นมาหางเลยล่ะชับเปแต่พนิงใส่อิรามลิปัมแล้วก็โย่เดลิลิกาจะจิชูนั่นมาสัตมาละโมฮัตตมาเลยอิสาวอิสายินะหางเจ้าด้าเย่โปรโหฮินะสับกาจินะไอซ์โปรโหฮิอเมริกามาเที่ยวจินะว่าอินอเมริกาว่าจะโปรโหลีมาไต่ขไม่เลยชาเลยก็จิตาก็ไม่นะโปรโหนะอเมริกาเชียไม่โปรโหนะคอนติเนนต์ก็ต้องฮิตุยมาตุยเลยส่งสักอีกมาไล่ไอ้แล้วก็ชีวิตอะไรคุลิกเลยชินาจียังแล้วก็จงเลี้ยงตะเคลก็หิงจียังแล้วก็ชีลีโอเวอร์เวมใช่แล้วก็รีบร้าดิขนุกลีไฮก็ชอบไอ้ตัวมีรินลีมันสกกับไปมันนิ่งมาได้ไม่การนะจังอาทมิงลีรีมายน์ซาแล้วก็จิชูคริสต์นะขมุงวิมรำจีหังแล้วก็ชีวิตชีลีขนาวลีเสียก็ซาไอ้น่ะวัดตั้งเอาดิแล้วก็เอาไว้เสียก็ท่าจีขี้กันเลย Who is a God like you เอาไว้อามิงเนี่ยเอาไว้อามิงอุยกับคลัด Who is a God like you อิสราเอลก็ต้องอันนั้นจิตาดหางนี่ก็จะแล้วก็พับตานี่จะรีเราในยังคงจิตจิตเดถ้าเธอ grace มันก็จังอ่ะแล้วไม่ฉันก็มีมันก็จังอ่ะธรรมะจุกจุยงละคำชุ่มมันก็จังอ่ะธรรมะจุกจุยงละ You just think of a religion without grace a religion without truth.There are hundreds and thousands of religion, the so-called religion, without really speck of grace or truth. Leipai kishila. Chikata dharmaji dangerous halak kishine. Itumui vareshia. It is a religion of grace. Nana hi. Jishu Christian sampang grace minus sakai than. Ngamu kwai, michang kom kwai, vareshili defense kwai we dharma onto Yahweh, organization onto Yahweh.ข้าจิชูวีเกรซี่นั่นน่ะพนิงคุยแล้วก็ช่วยลุงลี่นั่นน่ะริงเดเลยก็จังฮิลีอานักขยังต่อรีบร้ายยังเตยขังเตยอากาศมาเลยมันเนี่ยคิดวังต่อ Who pardons sin and forgives the transgression Our God is a God who forgives our sin and pardon our transgression ก็จริง You do not stay angry forever.But delight to show mercy. That is our God, isn't it? Who is like Him? Is there any God of equal? Malay gishite. Kay tum gachung gane hip-hop magdata da. Jaina ana chui tui ji tahang pay hai laga. Rivra kata malay mako. Nana rivra li korum laga. Rivra sheba sa laga. Rivra li chikatak lehi. Arema maning mane.No imirin lina kadi gabri raling abab laga mang khumul mo lairik ma them rang laka ma chuk ma churang laka ma shang rang laka ma pang rang laka rival ji hang sal mo nguyai re ma chila maruko ka hon the rivali wholeheartedly ma ga tom ma mi ping dia period a khwang season a khwang ai rival ma chang la sapai ga jita ka mai na float sa la ga chat sa la poi na khli nguyai re iwi sing nguyai re maning phulung mane Rivali ka chang kamay aga tamalem ni chi paning kuiro ko hachu tangkul church Delhi ฮิตาดมียาครับผมจริงเด็กเลยฮีrepeat ชาลุยไกishi quantity mang jili stress ka sama ni ishi pesa amount mang jili ma mathan na se kha ka changkhat noi lungli justice leila noi mirin hi ka changkhat righteousness na foundation sala sa dak le hi kamishung khang rong wi kong ru khlong la chat dak le hi le gi shiwi song cha la itum na hi da church la ka dak le hi rivadi kamishit ka chi thei achak kamating achila ka chi question sala ka mang lawi quality hi isum tuk ngai tuk tui ngai tui laga chat ki stay jena mai ka hina rivra hi khang te ngai ka cha le la rivra ka tha khang te khi ba le kle ka a chung sun itum kayak kana chung ma chu laga ya yen ning mong wa chiru do kayak kana ning tong lai na a ka tha ma le plung mane nga khai khang hai rivra more phyo khmia lumishan ka thaya lukhmashan akavane in rirang sikta khle ki hi iwi ningli vre sik sawring ka pha ka chi hi in a khami wi wang shepa sawtin na homa ho phok mane ka ili rida ana hui mi ping hauda awi chikat khami suruk sam ka pangwi ring ka pha ji we lungli I pang shap khle ne easily ka sang ne easily khamathan ne ki chi pa hi I tu mang shap rikla chi hang phulung kis ne chen rirang I tumli so mi sir no saya saga cak laga cuk cak laga beresi sasar sekji ina hangsang laga ling changau ke ran swami runo.
The first song we'll be doing is a Christmas song. We just finished writing this song last week and made the arrangement, and we're in the process of recording this song. This song is called Christmas Day.
Must stay.